Hi guys, how are you? I hope you're doing amazing and fun. So guys, today I'm very excited and you can tell by the title. Today I'm actually testing. Ooh, what is this? Nikkie Tutorial X Beauty Bay. Oh my god. Look at this guys. Ooh. Look at this beauty. So before we start this video guys, if you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up and also please do subscribe to my channel. Let me tell you guys, the giveaway is live right now. It's really very simple. Just subscribe to my channel, follow my Instagram, tag your 3 fans, make sure they follow my Instagram and they subscribe to my channel. That's all you have to do. For the bonus entry, just comment down below why you want to win this palette. That's all you need. So let's dive into the video and test this beauty together. So let's open it together and oh, something came with it. Oh yeah, there's a cute little message here. So this is the palette looks like. Let's just open it. Wow, look at that guys. It's very interesting, you see. It has micro glitters in this temple. It's like a very dark side of it. It's like a brighter side of Nikkie and this is the dark side of Nikkie. It's just not Nikkie, I think. It's everyone's life. Everyone has darker and brighter side, right? Oh, let's open it together. Look at that, guys. Wow. Can you see the difference in the mirror? Oh my god, look at that. It looks so good in person. And they have a nice mirror. Oh, she has a very different mirror. It does. Okay, so the dark side has the magnified mirror. And this is the regular mirror here. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like these kind of packaging, but because it's Nikkie and there's a one magnified mirror here, I can accept that. It just sounds like that she really matters. No, she's amazing anyway. Okay, so guys, look at the colors. Look at this red. Ooh, these shimmers. Okay guys, no more rambling. Okay, there's a one thing here. I think she has mentioned the brushes, that what brushes you can use. This is what she said. And there's a cute little message here. It says, I want to make the most out of these gorgeous shades, so I want to show you how to master their full potential. Some of the formulas work best when applied with a shadow brush to build them up, while others work better than when applied with the fingers. Check out the symbols on the other side to see which have fun creating. Okay, this is how it works. Wow, this is so cute. And there's a one cute message. Do you want me to read it? Okay, let's do it. Hello guys, it's me Nikkie. Hello. This is how she starts her video. I am beyond excited for you to finally see this. My palette is collaboration with Beauty Bay. I'm so grateful for this opportunity and this time we are doing it right for everybody. This palette truly showcases my life and personality. You guys know that I'm all about bright and unique makeup looks. But this palette also shows a different, darker side of me. I can't wait to see the looks you will create, from dark and mysterious to bold and uniquely you. This palette is my safe place, my temple, and this never would be happen without the support of my glow babies. I love you. Oh, that's so cute. We love you too, Nikkie. I mean, I personally love her. She's adorable. And to be very honest, since she announced about her transgender, believe me, I really respect her a lot because on the internet it's not really easy to share these kind of things, but she did, and I have so much respect for her. So kudos to you, Nikkie. Oh, great! There's something more. What's that? Oh, there's a pop socket. Oh, nice. The brighter side. It's cute. Okay. Love it. You know guys how I review things. I'm very like clear what I need and I'm very honest about my reviews. I don't really lie. I know she's a very big YouTuber, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I don't know where to start with, but do you want me to swatch some of the shimmers, like glitter formulas? Let's do it. So look at these, some 5 of her shimmery shades. There are 2 more. So this is Mr. Tutorial. Wow, look at that. And this, where should I do? Okay, and now here it is underground. Like this. It's like a taupey color. Alright guys, so let me tell you guys, I am honestly speaking, you know, stopping myself. I don't want to watch any of the review on YouTube. I can see the thumbnail, they have the shocking face or something like this, but I don't believe the thumbnails, to be honest. It's something just to attract you, but what's inside, I'm not really watching it because I want to just film it and experience myself. Because once you know, you watch it, there's something in your subconscious mind, you know what it's about, right? So that's why I'm not watching it. First shade, I want to go with this shade called Mila. This shade here, I'm using the magnifying side. Oh, it's nice and pigmented. It's like a, you know, like a brownish mustardy shade or something like this. And it's very pigmented. Nice. So guys, I've added this shade called Mila. And it's blended super nicely. I mean, there's no any issue whatsoever. So should I go a little bolder or should I go a little bit neutral? I think I have done towards neutral, so let's go bolder. This shade called Amsterdam is really calling my name. So let's do it. Okay, so I'm taking the pencil brush. See how good this could be. By the way, let me tell you, these are the pressed pigments. And what is the pressed pigment? Basically, they're very like high-end pigments. They have a very strong color, but the only thing which is not FDA approved is they stain your eyes. This is what I've actually read. So I'm just switching this brush. I'm taking this M506 brush from Morphe. I have added this blue shade. Literally, I have no idea where I'm going, but you know what? I'm just going back and forth a couple of times to, you know, give this much intensity. But it's good. It's not as vibrant as it looks like in a pan. So, but it's just getting a little bit muted, like navish blue. So, maybe I think I've added this different shade underneath, but I'm not about this here. I'm not actually shade anything here. So yeah, but it looks something like this. I want to add this green shade literally in my crease. Let's see. So this shade called EU. It picks up quite a lot. So now I've blended this green and blue together. Don't worry, I'm gonna just cut the crease, but you know what I'm thinking? I think I should go with the shade Slasher. Yeah, so actually I'm sticking with the darker side. So guys, this is what I've blended. Greens and purples. I know it looks very scary. Trust the process. This is what I can say. So I'm taking the sharp tart shape tape to cut my crease. I just cut my crease. Not really finest, but just imagine. Concealer is still wet. I am not setting with any powder or anything. So I'm thinking on this wet base, let me take this green shade which is called EU on my whole eyelid. Oh wow, it is so pigmented on wet base. So that means, because it was not that pigmented when I was blending with that blue color. Okay guys, so this color is exceptionally pigmented. You can see I look like, I don't know what I look like, but it is such a beautiful thing. I don't know if you can tell guys, the blue shade has so much fallout, which is, I don't mind because it's pressed pigments, but still just to tell you guys. Okay, so I think this blue shade is getting faded, so let me add a little bit in order to just give back to the life. Okay, so at the outer corner I'm thinking to just use the color Slasher, the one I used before. It's like a purplish mahogany on the outer corner. Oh yes, look at this color guys. It just, you know what, they are pressed pigments but they are blending in beautifully. So I think I'm gonna go with this shade called All in One. It's like a beautiful shade. And let's see if it works with the brush, otherwise I'm gonna use my finger. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. This is pretty. Do I use my finger? Literally I'm scared of using my finger because it's going to be too much then. Oh wow, Wow guys, pretty, it is so beautiful. I think I fall in love with this shade. There's of course the glitter fallout is there. Let me just fix it. For my inner corner, I think I'm gonna use this shade. This is called Ivy. Ooh, wow, look at that. And I'm gonna use something on my brow bone. Okay, let me just jump into the bright side. I'm gonna use the shade Pride. It's like a, you know that what's called? Unicorn. It's like a unicorn color. Wow. Okay, so this is basically straight up glitter. So let me just blend it. Okay, so let me quickly do my mascara, liner, eyelashes, and add back. So guys, now I have added some lashes. They are quite fuller lashes, but this is the look for my lower lash line. What I'm thinking is not to go very crazy, and I wanted to use the shade Celestia, this shade on lower lash line. Then on waterline, I'm thinking I'm going to use this intense, what's called intense color, long lasting eye color from Kiko. This is the shade 12. It's like a blue color, so I think it's going to complement my waterline. So let me do my face makeup and then I'll be back. Hey guys, now I'm back with the full face of my makeup. Guys, as you can tell, oh my god, I just went very bold, but you know what, I'm kind of loving this look. First of all, let me tell you, if by any chance, if Nikki watches this video, I don't think so she would, but if she would, congratulations Nikki, you have done such an amazing job. Guys, the colors, everything blended beautifully. And you can see the shimmers, they are popping, the mattes are amazing. Of course, the fallout is definitely understood because of very pressed pigments, but you guys, I fall in love with it. If you have ever got an idea, I love these kind of shades. You know that I'm where see these kind of earrings. I've already posted on my Zoha that I love these turquoises and greens, and especially this color with the top of this glitter. Oh my god, this blue shade, oh my god. And I mean, this is unreal guys, look at this. These lashes are terrible guys. The inner corner is just annoying, but it's fine. Just ignore that, just pretend they're still in place, and then look at this. Oh my god guys. So guys, I am falling in love with it. This palette is unreal. I mostly use the darker side of this palette, so I would say it's like a, but I fall in love with these shades. I haven't used much from this side of thing. By the way, let me tell you one thing. Can you see this blush guys? It's not a blush. I use this shade called Blend and Snap. This shade. I use this shade for my blush, and look at this, how cute it looks. So, thank you so much guys for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Also enter in this giveaway. I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye.